Okay, so we're going to take a look at a problem that has two functions that are being subtracted. As you will see, we have f of x equals 3x minus 5 and g of x equals x squared minus 5x plus 2. And the problem is asking us to find f of 6 minus g of 2. So f of 6 is just a fancy way in math to say that x equals 6. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 6 and we're going to plug it into x for the f function. So here's our f function of 3x minus 5. We're plugging 6 in for x, so we have 3 times 6 minus 5. We're going to use the order of operations to get 18 minus 5, which equals 13. Then we're going to do the same thing for the g of 2. So g of 2 means that we're going to plug 2 in for x in the g function. So our g function is x squared minus 5x plus 2. The 2 is going to go in for this x and for this x here. We're going to use the order of operations again. 2 squared is 4. 5 times 2 is 10. Bring down the subtraction sign, and then we have plus 2. And remember, when you have addition and subtraction, go from left to right. So 4 minus 10 is negative 6, and negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. Now, if you'll go back up to what it asked us, it says find f of 6 minus g of 2. So since we have the answer for f of 6, which is 13, and we have the answer for g of 2, which is negative 4, then that simply means that we are going to subtract the two numbers. So we're going to take 13 minus negative 4, and if you'll remember, a minus followed by a negative just turns into a big plus sign. So 13 plus 4 equals 17.